fully. This, I'm trying to boss in. Drop that shit, now we cooking. On all block, getting JJ. We don't scheme ass out here. All block, play up on bitches, do it. Bitty bitch ass, that your partner that may slide. Big ol' lock down, slide the city, lock down, slice this shit for fun. Gang on back, no king, no, we can't run. How about action, we G-Ride boys, they dish, we spanking shit for fun. 50 cats so fucking strong, I can mix and still take off your arm. I just made the chopper click, put on some titties and add some charm. Baby sock, not trying to put a switchy on this fucking speed.
Man, what's in YouTube? What's in? I'm back, man. Hey, I told y'all what I tell y'all. We out here with it. We out here with it. Y'all see how we come? You said fill up? Alright. Hey, we finna go fill up on some gas. Hey, tonight, man, we finna be, basically this video, finna be out here cutting up, man. Cutting up a little bit. Finna turn up, you feel me?
Hold on, wait, I'm finna record.
Alright, man, we finna get up with y'all, man, when we get to the gas station. And we finna turn up. Hey, man, finna have a wonderful time. Y'all tune in. Have a good time, enjoy. Hey, let's go.
Get the fuck out. Fuck this bump. Another nigga makes this.
Alright, 7. On my mama.
Alright, bitch.
I'm just playing, Jesse. I can do it if you want.
Alright, we at QT and shit. I'm with bro now. We getting some gas for the motherfucking charge, nigga. Got had scraping, nigga. Let you see the huh? Oh yeah. Bro, they're going crazy. Oh yeah, we have it. Young niggas have it. You feel me? It's like that. Alright. Grab some more drink real quick. Or should I? I'm gonna grab it later. Alright. We're outside. It's finna get it. That bitch sexy, boy. Got my putting in the gas and shit. Bro. Alright, let's put my gas in. Alright. Shit. Sit y'all right here. Alright, man, so yeah, basically today we just finna be cutting it up in traffic a little bit. Finna go do some donuts, man. You feel me? We teed outside, man. Young niggas having shit, man. 2 chargers out here, you feel me? They ain't even swap check. Yeah, we got that. But so I'm gonna get back up with y'all when we gone. When we in the car. Hey,
Damn, you black as shit.
Faces on the walls, I probably spent 100,000 on fly shit.
Okay. Hey, y'all can't come in here. Hey, let me get $10.
Damn, that's SEC.
Hey, we up in 2 chargers. Fuck you talk about? He trying to burn out. It's not working. Let me do it, man.
Hey, back up.
That nigga finna hit what you call it? What's that bitch's name? That Asian.
You know, we coming in charge of SC. Gonna go scat pack for when it comes to time.
Like, oh shit, oh five.
Y'all see that hoe? Y'all see that?
Fuck no, nigga. This car
What
worth
car?
10 racks, nigga. We got, and this car right here worth about 9 racks, nigga. Stop
Hell
playing
yeah.
with us, nigga.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We out here, gang. Hey, it's only the beginning too, nigga.
Yeah, how we wanna be, we really
not
down.
even
Like,
up,
we
nigga.
really down. We supposed to be right now. You feel me?
Hey, tell the as we going up though.
We really is going up.
It's too small, gang. Feel me?
I was at least
Next
finna
at
try
the
to-
location, we finna at the
Hey.
next location type shit.
At the next location, man, we finna.
I bet.
Come on, we finna make it to the next location.
Say your word, gang. Say your word. Love you, brother. Alright, we found the bounce.
Hey, go to Union.
Hey, I'm finna have the camera. Alright, hey, that's. I'm finna take that with us.
Mine's is a low one. Come on.
Yeah, we finna grab some stuff for QT. You see, as we see, we can get a QT, and we finna go make it. We try to go find a bigger parking lot so we can go spin that little motherfucker. See? Yeah. We'll tap in when we leave here. I'll go.
At the end of the day, I'm born in way, boy, I ain't got shit to prove. When you at the top, they watch your life, you gon' get ridiculed. Nigga, I get really full, so I ain't really too touch trip.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shit, that shit.
I know a big parking lot.
Where?
Let me go talk to Cater.
Hold on, no.
What up?
Swing that bitch.
Ooh.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh,
Yeah!
Really, nigga?
Jackson, close that bitch. Close, hey, hey.
Oh
Oh
yeah.
yeah! Oh yeah!
that bitch too hot.
I blowing that bitch, man. That shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh
My
yeah!
nigga spun that bitch.
Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch, boy.
I want to leave.
This bitch smoking and shit.
Let me get my.
I'm gonna turn around then.
We need a spot that's like a circle.
Yeah.
Nigga, I barely stepped on it.
Nigga, stop stepping on my
I barely
bag.
stepped on it.
Hey, y'all know a spot that's like a
Cater.
circle.
Why my old house? That
Oh
big ass
yeah,
parking
the
lot.
big ass parking lot.
Hey,
You think?
Hold on, wait.
What?
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh yeah!
I smoked his ass. I smoked his ass, gang.
Be aware of this.
I'm gonna get that gas money, twin. Pay for me, nigga.
Oh God, you gonna get it?
Get that gas money, you talk. Finna get that gas money, fam.
What did you say?
Mopar clan, we finna get that gas money, gang. Just smoke that.
Smoked his ass. He need 2 more. He making that bread.
Hey, that nigga need to get some better horsepower or something. My nigga Jesse just.
Oh yeah, I figured out this camera shit, nigga.
Faster than me, but he's not a racer, gang.
Not a race.
He's not a racer. Hold on, wait. This the car that we talk about right here.
That bitch up there, only cause we slowed down.
Hold on, wait. Car right there. That bitch not
You
even
finna
quick.
line back up, man.
Hey, but I ain't gonna hate on my cuz.
Hey, that shit fast, though.
Oh,
That
bro.
shit hard.
I ain't even gonna hate on him.
Go straight. Now, we gas car, bro. That shit.
Gas car. Tell him get that whack ass
No
shit
shit,
out.
we.
Hey. How you feeling, cuz?
Fucked up.
Hold on, wait.
Hey, go up a little bit. Go up a
3,
little
2, 1, go, alright?
Hold on, stop,
bit.
Jesse.
Move up a
Hey, turn that camera off. Hold on, wait. Cuz, how you feeling?
I'm alright. You got some more. Well, Jesse.
Hey,
He finna dust him.
Take care over here.
Okay. Nah, it's 2 more. It's 2 more. It's 2 more. It's 2 more. Hold on, wait.
No,
Let me.
nigga. It's best out of 3. If I win one more, then it's over. Yeah.
Best. Hold on, wait. Sorry. We fucked you up again.
Stop cutting me off, lame ass nigga. Stop cutting me off, lame
No,
ass
hell
nigga.
no. Fuck that.
Hold on, wait. Let's do one more. Let's do one more.
Hey, no, my cash app don't work, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. I need that cash.
Alright, you gotta wait till another day.
Nah, hell no. I'm gonna take that cash.
Nigga, I'm not going to the crib grabbing bread, breaking that shit tonight. Hell no.
Hey, somebody else.
Come on, we out.
Alright, 3, 2, 1,
Get up there. Get up there.
cut me off, nigga. You see that? He's a bitch. He's a bitch.
Wait. Don't do the thumbnail yet. Let me put my shoes on and shit. Nah, cuz you get in front of the cars and go like this. Like you setting up the race.
So many thoughts now on brand, but his motivation is getting the bread.
Hey, let me and Dre run real quick.
All right, ready?